There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango SRT in diamond black crystal pearl. With HID headlamps, performance hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Beats premium audio system, heated rear seats, power sunroof, rear DVD entertainment center, power liftgate, so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PT2101.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.